Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make crab at home. First, selecting the right crab is crucial. Always choose live, fresh ones for the best flavor. Before cooking, give them a good rinse under cold water. You'll also want to have your equipment ready. A large pot, a steamer basket, tongs, and a cracking tool will make the process much smoother. This preparation ensures a delicious meal. Steaming is the preferred method for cooking crab, as it locks in moisture and flavor. Start by adding about 2 inches of water to a large pot, then place a steamer basket inside. Bring that water to a vigorous, rolling boil. Carefully add your crabs to the basket. For medium-sized crabs, steam them for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, or until their shells turn a vibrant, bright red color. This indicates they are perfectly cooked. Once your crabs are beautifully steamed, it's time to serve them up. Gently remove the hot crabs from the pot using sturdy tongs. They are best enjoyed immediately, so have your accompaniments ready. Melted butter, fresh lemon wedges, and your favorite dipping sauces are classic choices. Don't forget your crab cracker and pick. These tools make extracting every bit of that sweet, succulent meat a breeze. Enjoy your homemade feast. To ensure your crab-making experience is consistently excellent, remember a few key tips. First, avoid overcooking at all costs. This can make the meat tough and less enjoyable. For an extra layer of flavor, try adding aromatics such as bay leaves or a dash of Old Bay seasoning to your steaming water. If you happen to have any delicious leftovers, store the meat in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Happy cracking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.